Hey there, my name is Simon at safeandvaultstore.com. Here today to talk about two of the best RSC burglar safes on the market. That would be the 1818-2 and smaller 1812-2 from Gardall Corporation in Syracuse, New York. You can find both of these models installed in both residential and commercial locations all across the nation, and I think they offer one of the best values in a USA-made safe today. These are composite-lined burglar fire safes, meaning they're constructed from an internal and external layer of steel with a composite mixture filling the space in between. The composite mixture gives the safe better security, and it's where it gets excellent fire protection from. These models both have UL RSC burglar ratings and a UL 2-hour Class 350 fire and impact rating. That means these safes are subjected to temperatures up to 1,850 degrees Fahrenheit, dropped 30 feet to simulate a building collapse, and then returned to the furnace for a total burn time of 2 hours, and the internal temp remains under 350 degrees. You can get these safes configured with a variety of locks, including an ultra-reliable dial combination or the convenient digital keypad. On the inside of the door, you can see they use a multi-step design. This helps with the fire protection and also makes it resistant to pry attacks. The boltwork on the inside of the door actually rotates. That prevents someone from slipping a blade in and trying to cut these off. All these Gardall models come standard with a bolt-down hole in the center of the bottom of the safe, as well as the hardware necessary to do so. They also include ultra-plush suede-covered shelves that are adjustable, and you can purchase additional shelves as well. Gardall has quite a few color options on these safes that are new for 2024, most of which are in stock and shipping quickly. They also offer a couple different color combinations for your handle and lock hardware. These are just 2 of 5 available sizes from Gardall that carry really good fire protection as well as a good security rating. If you or someone you know is looking for a safe for their home or business, I would highly consider either of these from Gardall Corporation in Syracuse, New York. Again, my name is Simon at safeandvaultstore.com. Stay safe.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates of all of our products and videos.